An unusual title, perhaps, but then James is an unusual character. Or is he? By the way, Jim is the one in the hat. He's keen on home movies, and his enthusiasm knows no bounds. He's been saving for months to buy this projector.
So you finally made it then? Have you checked the voltage selector? No, I don't think you'll find it up there. Look at the back. That's right, 240 in this district. Now look what you've done. You didn't check the cable, did you? An accident like that can easily prove fatal. By the way, do you know anything about the kiss of life? That's not what I meant, Jim. Here, look at this. Let's get on with it, Jim. You can read that later. You'd better clean the gate now. Have you got a brush? Oh, really, James? Have you never seen a gate brush? Clean the film runners and the aperture. You know, dirt on the runners can scratch the film, and one small hair in the gate will look like a telegraph pole on the screen. Hey, you're not going to use that, are you? Here, use these lens tissues. To do the job properly, you should blow any dust off the lens and then polish gently. That's the idea, Jim. Now, what about a spot of lubrication? You know, oiling. No, Jim, not with that. Here's a small one. It only needs a spot here and there. You're not refueling a diesel engine. Try pointing the lens this way, Jim. Well, that's the cabaret over. Now, let's get on. I don't suppose for 1 minute you have a spare lamp. Here you are then. Have this one on me. Top one, Jim. And hurry up. Your audience will be here soon. Here they are. I hope this is going to be better than his usual rubbish. Upside down, Jim. It wasn't rewound. A good projectionist always rewinds after every show.
Even Hitchcock wouldn't put a twist ending at the beginning. Oh, dear. Marvelous. Brilliant. Brilliant. I'll take even money that at the end of the film he says, "Of course, I haven't finished editing yet."
Look, Jim, you'll really have to join a cine club.
Preferably in Tangier.